Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HTBX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Pretty eventful day today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on it. So let's map out some areas of support and resistance going forward. I'm going to be talking about things from more so a bigger picture type viewpoint. And I bring that up because it's a little tricky to talk about from a presentation standpoint because of context. Context meaning if you're some sort of day trader, scalper, and you bought right there, or you bought right there, and your plan was to buy and sell within 7 minutes, well then yeah, from that point of view, the chart's looking pretty bearish. But again, I'm not going to be talking about this from a day trader or scalper type perspective. I'm looking at things from more so a bigger picture. So from that point of view, first key level of support going forward and what I would call the ideal level. I mean, hey Clay, what makes this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above 65 cents. Now, if the price falls below 65, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a big sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period moving average. Keyword being moving. So as the week plays out, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 65 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Initial level of resistance going to be right up here around the 74-cent mark. The price can push through there. The next key level is just essentially where the party stopped today, and that was up there at 83 cents. So yeah, there was a deeper pullback, but looking at things from the bigger picture point of view, the price definitely does still have the opportunity to chip away and build an overall higher base. And as hopefully I've done a good job explaining, that's how those long-term uptrends are constructed. So yeah, a deeper pullback, but still the opportunity to chip away, build a higher base, and therefore build an overall uptrend. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not going forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.